Hare Krishna Chhatraha. Today we are going to learn about Napumsak Linga Sabda, that means neuter gender. Before you learn about two gender, first one is masculine gender, that means Punglinga Sabdaha. Second one, feminine gender, that means Strilinga Sabdaha. Now today you are going to learn neuter gender, that means Napumsaklinga Sabda, that means three types of genders are there. Punglinga Sabdaha, Strilinga Sabdaha and Napumsaklinga Sabdaha. So let's see. Etat kim asti? What is this? Etat kamalam asti. This is a lotus. Etat kamalam vikasati. This lotus is blooming. So you understand? Etat means this. That means nearest things. In Bengali you are telling na ekhane. Ekhane. What is the first letter? A. In Sanskrit also etat. So first letter is A. So etat means near. That means ekhane. So this. Now see far things. See etat. If you cut the A, it will be tat now. So it is not nearest thing. It is farthest things. Farthest than you. So that. Tat means that. Tat kim asti. What is that? Tat bhavanam asti. That is a building. See, that is a building. See, this lotus is nearest of this man and that building far than him. Okay, that's why he is telling that this is a lotus and that is a building. This is a lotus and that is a building. Understand? So, etat means this and tat means that. Now, all are ekbachan. See, one lotus here are here and one lotus is here and one building is there. So, one things. Now, see the two things. Two buildings are there and two lotus are there. So, two things. That means we are going to learn here divachan. So, etat divachan is ete and tat divachan is te. Etat, ete, tat, te. Okay. Ete kestaha. What are these two? Te kamalestaha. These two are lotuses. Ete kamale vikasataha. Vikasataha means blooming. These two lotuses are blooming. Now, tat divachan te. So, te kestaha. What are those two? In Sanskrit, you know that three types of vachan are there. Ekvachan, dvivachan and bahuvachan. Ekvachan means singular. Dvivachan means dual. That means two things. And plural, that is called in Sanskrit bahuvachan. So, ekvachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. So, more than two called bahuvachan. Now, we are going to learn this divachan. Te kestaha. What are those two? Te bhavanestaha. Those two are buildings. Now, let's see bahuvachan part. That means more than two. See, three buildings are there. Three lotuses are there. So, more than two things are there. So, let's see. Etat, ete, etani. Etat, ete, etani. So, etat divachan is ete. And etat bahuvachan is etani. Etani kani santi. What are these all? Etani kamalani santi. These all are lotuses. Etani kamalani vikasanti. These lotuses are blooming. Tani kani santi. Tani. Tat te tani. So tat divachan te. And tat bahuvachan tani. Tat te tani. Etat ete etani. Tat te tani. So tani. Let's see. Tat bahuvachan is four things. Bahuvachan tani. Tani kani santi. What are those all? Tani bhavanani santi. Those all are buildings. Okay, for this you have to remember this prathama vibhakti rule, that means subject, or you can say that we are using here pronoun etat tat. These are the pronouns. Where we are using the pronouns? Yes, instead of subject we are using pronoun. That's why always wherever we are getting subject or pronoun, there you will use that prathama vibhakti rules. And rules everyone know. Then also you have to remember once more masculine gender rules. Aha, o, aha, like naraha, naro, naraha, balakaha, balako, balakaha. Subject rules or prathama vibhakti rules you can say. And feminine gender rules, a, e, aha, lata, late, lataha, sita, site, sitaha. Now let's see neuter gender rules. E, ani, either this ani, no, or ana. Ani. Patram, patre, patrani. Patrani. Why patrani? Because ra, patrani. Before no, ra is there. That's why patrani. But if you say phalam, phalam, phale, phalani. This no. Phalam, phale, phalani. Patram, patre, patrani. Phalam, phale, phalani. Wherever you are getting before the no, if you get this ksha or sha or ra, before no, if you get this 3 letter, this no will change. It will change to ana. Okay. So patram, patre, patrani, this no. And for this chapter you have to know one more rules, that is verb rules. Pratham Purush rule, that means someone else. Pratham Purush, not you, not I. When you are talking about someone else, that is called Pratham Purush. This rule you have to memorize. Ekbachan, ti. See, asti, vikasati, ekbachan, ti. Dvivachanam, taha. See, staha, vikasataha. So that means dvivachanam. This is the verb rule, that means kriya rules, verb. These rules will add with the verb, that means with the kriya, with dhaturup we will add this. Bahuvachanam, anti, ti, taha, anti, anti rules. See the bahuvachan. Santi, bikasanti, anti rules. Okay. Ti rules, asti, bikasati, khadati, pathati, likhati. Taha rules, staha, bikasataha, khadataha, patataha, nrityataha, like this we'll add. Okay, taha. And anti, how it will add? Like santi, bikasanti, khadanti, pathanti. So like this it will add. So you have to memorize these 2 rules for this chapter. One will be this prathama rules, that means subject rules, this one, and verb rules will be this one. So please say nicely. Okay, please see this rule nicely, and you have to write also in your copy.